Welcome to In-Out Homestyle. This is internal door locks. Scan it and you are in. Simple as that. And once the door shuts, it locks itself automatically. When you need to leave the room, just unlock from the inside. But remember, from the outside, without the scanner or passcode, it won't open. To install this lock on your door, should have following features. Door thickness 20 to 65 millimeters. Dimensions 156 x 58 x 33 millimeters. Compatible with wooden and metal doors. Finishes available matte black and antique bronze. If you wish to buy, links are shared in description. Got questions or concerns? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more smart home tips. See you in the next one.